How's it guys? Welcome back to another video on Mr. Junior Dev. And yeah, I'm here on this is a quick cryptocurrency update. And yeah, once again it's baby Dogecoin and it's rising again. It's just climbing, it's skyrocketing this week. It's unbelievable. Um, I think that there's all the hype. As you can see here, this is the 7-day chart. Just look at that inclination, it's unbelievable. This is after 1 month. This is 3 months. So this is a new all-time high. This is the new ATH. It's unbelievable. So yeah. Oh no, I'm wrong. This is not the new all-time high. The all-time high was back here. But the thing is, back then, as you can see, it didn't maintain its level, and if you head over here, you can see here it maintained its ground. It kept its ground, so it's constantly growing. Here it's hitting a new floor as well. As you can see, it's maintaining that level. Now let's see if it's gonna drop. I think it will rise quite a bit, and then it might drop back down, but then it's going to hit the floor, and then it's going to stay at that level. So yeah, I'm quite excited. Baby Doge seems like it's the potential coin for everybody, to include everybody. So yeah, I think yeah, but let's go. I've got an article here in front of me. Let me show you guys quickly. It says here, Baby Doge flips Ethereum to become most traded token among Binance whales. That is crazy. Just think about it. It flips Ethereum. Ethereum is sitting at $3,000, if I'm not mistaken, something like that, the price of Ethereum. It's flipping Ethereum to become the most traded token. Can you just imagine the volumes that are going on there? And you must remember, this is a deflationary token. So look, we can even head over to Baby Doge's wait. Let's head over to the ecosystem. No, we're gonna head over to the contract. Yeah, here's it. Okay. Is this the correct contract? Let me just make sure. Just now, it's not the correct one. It seems to be. Yeah. Apparently there's 1,250 holders, 2,200 transfers. These are the transfers. And they're huge amounts. It's insane. They're big amounts, yeah. Check at that. They really are big amounts. 203 trillion. Yeah, no, they are. They're big amounts. And you can see it's not it's not like a, you can see it's not like a bot or anything like that, you know, because when a bot trades, it usually trades it usually does automated trades at the same value. So if it trades at 60,000, then it's going to trade again at 60,000, and then it's going to swap again at 60,000, and then you'll see the pattern. It becomes like a repetitive pattern. So yeah, no, there's a lot of volume behind this token. As you can see, it's skyrocketing. Yeah, token contracts count. It's mad. It's insane. It's all the whales buying up now. But yeah, and then if we have a look at and yeah, let's head over to their website. Also, pretty well designed website, pretty impressive. Subscribe to the latest Baby Doge updates. Alright. Okay, so if we have a look here, it's got all the details of the coin and the tokenomics, Baby Doge protocol. As you can see here, auto and manual burns. We have burned 41% plus of the supply. That means out of the 5% of the readers, we have burned 41% plus of the supply. That means out of the 5% of the redistribution, 41% plus of it will be distributed to the dead wallet each transaction. Coins are burned with every transaction. Then auto reflections, 5% fee. Each transaction is redistributed to token holders. That means you can earn more Baby Doge coins by holding them in your wallet. Centralized exchanges wallets may not apply tokenomics. That's actually pretty impressive. So just by holding Baby Doge, you get paid for every transaction. And they add Baby Doge to your wallet. That's crazy. Locked liquidity. Majority of initial LP tokens locked and some burned. Charity wallet. We have a designated charity wallet that receives distributions that are used to support our charity partners. Well, I like charities, so oh yeah, they've even got a Baby Doge crypto card. That's pretty impressive. There is a use case for it, so yeah, if it can be used globally as a sort of a new payment system, I think that helps a lot. It can resolve the current financial system problems. There's a lot of problems within the old financial system, so it needs to be improved. It works, but it can be made better. Just think about it, guys. If this just knocks down 2 zeros, right? 2 zeros, right? Okay. I'm gonna quickly take my calculator out. I'm gonna tell you guys how much you're gonna make. I'm just going to show you guys how much you will be on, right? Let's say you had £1,000, right? £1,000. Okay, I just want to show you guys something quickly. Let's say you have £1,000 of baby Doge, right? Sitting at this current level, 4022. Okay, you can see there's 8 zeros after the decimal point, right? So let's say if you're standing at this 4022, and we take the fact that at 4022, if you take 4022, so forget about the £1,000 now, 4022. So if you take 0.000, there are 8 zeros, right? Yeah. And then you take, let's just take 3973. Okay. And then just add 1000% to it. It would knock off 367. It would knock off 10, right? That's 1000%, right? It would knock off 10. Only 1000%. So, in other words, if that £1,000, you added 1000% to it, in other words, just by knocking off 10, you will have £11,000. And if you knocked another zero, which is 10,000%, let's check. If you knocked another zero down, you take £1,000 plus 10,000%, you'd have £100,000. And then you'd still be 6 zeros away from the decimal point. So think about it. It's crazy. It's huge sums. Even if even if uh, even if you take that 100,000 and you add another 1000%, which is possible, then you'd have 1.1 million, which is crazy. 1.1 million, just imagine. And then you've only invested £1,000. So just think about it. That's crazy. So guys, if you're not into baby Doge, I suggest you get now before they list it on Binance. And I'm gonna have a look. I can even show you. I think they're gonna be listing it today or tomorrow. Yeah, baby Doge listing on Binance. So it says there's a lot of articles here. It's already been listed. It's already been listed. What does the recent 250 trillion baby Doge burn mean for token holders? The popular meme token on Binance Smart Chain has seen enough interest. So it looks like it's already been listed. This is the ecosystem. guys, so that was just a short video on Baby Dogecoin. I know there's a lot of potential in this coin, especially long term. These are for holders, not for people that just want to buy and sell. So yeah, like I said, yeah, don't shy away from Baby Dodge. Even if you don't want to take as much risk, even if you don't want to take on as much risk, what you can do is you can just buy less, buy 100 quid, something that you money that you can actually afford to throw away. So I'm just saying, look, have a look at Baby Dodge. It's got huge potential, and it seems like it's gonna rocket definitely. You guys won't be disappointed. This is not financial advice, but I myself am invested. This is my own personal advice, and yeah, you guys can make your own assumptions. You guys are entitled to your own opinions, and yeah, guys, good luck, and good luck for the future. Um, we have to think forward. So yeah, right. See you guys then. See you guys in the next video. Cheers. Bye.